When I first started offering retargeting, it was to one of my local clients. I was doing the transition. I was getting rid of a lot of my local clients, and one of them just gave me the opportunity to keep working with him and focus on paid ads. But what I knew about him was that his site was getting 3,000 to 4,000 visits organically every month.
Yeah.
So I never had to buy traffic because there was always traffic coming in. All I had to do was just siphon the existing traffic into retargeting campaigns.
Mm-hmm.
So there was no cost of getting more traffic, it was just the cost of bringing them back.
Yeah.
So if you have local clients already getting good traffic, and it has to be a couple thousand because not every hit is registered on the pixel, let's just say 2,000, right, as a baseline. So if they're getting 2,000 hits a month, all you have to do is charge for your time, right? Let's just say minimum $500 a month so you can cover some banner designs and whatnot, minimum. And then you sign up for a network like Perfect Audience or Adderall, and you start setting up campaigns for each service or each product or whatever it may be. And then just track conversions. It's actually quite simple. What's not is the tracking of everything. It's simple to set up. Perfect Audience has great support and help tools in order to like go through A to Z as to how to set up your first campaign, and so does Adderall. But if you're doing something like, I'm setting up Perfect Audience campaigns on website retargeting and Facebook and Twitter all at the same time, and you don't know how to do conversion tracking, then it could become a huge pain in the butt. So if you're just looking to get started and only do one thing, you can offer website retargeting to all your clients for, I would say, more along the lines of like $750 to $1,000 a month using their existing traffic, and then do website retargeting campaigns. And I know for a fact it would bring more business to your clients.